Hey guys, it's Vicki Kenner, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director with Team Scented Style. And today I'm super excited to share with you, it's my favorite time of the month. We are going to be opening the Whiff Box for May 2022. And I heard there is a Star Wars surprise in there. So I'm super excited. So if you like this video, please give it a like. And if you're enjoying my content, please consider subscribing. We have fun here. You guys are my friends. Make sure you comment below because I always reply to my comments because I like to get to know you guys. And that's it. Let's get into it. And you're like, Vicki, what the heck is a Whiff Box? Let me show you. Whiff Box is amazing. It's a subscription box, kind of like an Ipsy, a Bark box. I used to get the Cat Lady box for a long time. So it's always like a little special surprise. Some people like to be surprised. Some people like to know what they're getting. I totally get it. So you guys watch this video to see if like, no, I don't want that one, or yes, I do want that one. So you can buy it the whole month of May. And here's the cool thing. If you get a Scentsy Club, you could put it in there and it'll just automatically come every month, every other month, every 3 months, however you want to set it up. But basically, there are full-sized and sample-sized products in here. So I am so excited to open this and see what is in it. All right, you guys, let's get to this. So we're going to go ahead and open it. And you guys, these boxes are so good. I have the hardest time throwing them away because I'm like, that's a good box. But like, what am I going to use it for? Sometimes I find uses for them and sometimes they just pile up. Okay, so look how cute. It says Scent with Love. I love that. And then they always give you like a little sheet telling you what's in there. And then sometimes they give you like fun activities in here. I really enjoyed the one, oh my gosh, it was from a couple months ago and it gave you a list of spring cleaning ideas. And I totally worked off that and I used my Whiff Box for my spring cleaning checklist. So that was exciting. It says, it's almost summer with Scentsy. It's almost summer with Scentsy. I live in LA. It already feels like summer. Okay, so, oh, this is cute. It has drink tags. It says, cut out these adorable drink markers inspired by the 2022 summer collection fragrances on your next dinner party or game night. So it gives you these cute little drink tags so people know which one is theirs. You just attach it to the glass. Very cute. Very cute. Okay, so let's put that to the side. And then, you know, Scentsy is so fancy. They have their own air. Scentsy air. Isn't that cool? I don't know why that jazzes me, but it completely does. Okay. Wow, this is a good one. I love this Whiff Box. This is a great Whiff Box. It has everything in it that I'm super excited about. Okay. Everything in here is stuff that I love and I'm super jazzed. I just did my my summer collection haul and a couple of these things I already got, but I use so much of it that I'm like really excited to get more of it. So let's get to it. Okay, and I also have scent descriptions here. Okay, so we have Scentsy Fresh in the scent Cucumber and Cactus Water. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is a beautiful scent. So what is Scentsy Fresh? If you've never ordered it, it's like a breeze. It's a fabric, like smelling, you know, enhancer. And so like I have cats and now I have, oh my gosh, you guys, I have a puppy He's 8 months old, Frenchie, and my daughter talked me into another puppy. We're actually going to dinner today for Mother's Day, which is Saturday, but you're going to see this tomorrow. I'm going to be posting this tomorrow because tomorrow we are having another puppy come, a 4-month-old Frenchie. But she's really cute, but oh my, I think I even have her picture here. Hold on, let me look. I do. Okay, so you guys are getting inside scoop. Okay, so this is our new puppy coming tomorrow. She looks a lot like our current puppy. She's 4 months younger, so she's only 4 months old, and my daughter is naming her Mia Rose. So they get to grow up together. Now, I got to show you her parents. First of all, her mother is beautiful. This is Horchata. That's Horchata. But wait till you see her father. I swear he looks like we're related. Her father, you guys. I love this picture. I may print it out and put it in a picture frame. This fat boy, this is her dad. And his name is Virus. But look how fat and cute he is. I'm dying. He looks like a family member. I swear we could be related. Oh, I'm dying. You guys, I'm sorry. That was extra fun. I'm going to have to put that in the description of the video because that's hilarious. But anywho, we're going to be having a lot of animals here. I have 4 cats, a puppy. Her puppy's going to be coming over. So we're going to be using the heck out of this Scentsy Fresh cucumber and cactus water. Let me read the scent description really quick. Let me go back to that. Crisp cucumber wades into refreshing cactus water and sea salt. And this scent also comes in, what else does it come in? It comes in laundry, which is fantastic. It comes in pods. And it comes in, let me see, let me expand that. Comes in a fragrance flower as well. So that's amazing. And then, of course, Scentsy bar. But you get one of these in the counter clean. What I just realized is you get one item of each scent from the summer collection in this Whiff Box. That's awesome. I think that was such a great idea. Okay. The next thing, I just bought one of these. I just did my unboxing video. I'm obsessed with counter clean. I go through a ton of counter clean. I'm off work right now because I just had a knee replacement a couple weeks ago. But when I go back, I use one of these every week at work to clean my work truck. I work on the docks and it's feeling punchy. How cute is that, right? Like, does your cleaner smell like punch? I doubt it. It probably smells like chemicals. Okay, so let me go back to the scent description. And I already did a scent review, so go ahead and watch that previous review, that haul video. Feeling punchy, bright tangerine, pink lemon with a sweet splash of fruit punch. Okay, so it comes in Scentsy bar, it comes in counter clean, it comes in bathroom cleaner as well. Let's see, what else does feeling punchy come in? Let me see. You click on the grid. Bar, pods as well. Okay, so it comes in quite a few things. All right. All right, all right. I'm loving that. Perfect. Okay, so that's what it comes in. I am so excited because I loved the bar. So now I have this to spray on all of my fabrics. I have this to clean my counters. I literally clean everything with Counter Clean. Counter Clean. If you guys have not tried Scentsy, this and the hand soap, which I'm about to show you, needs to be one of your first purchases because our fragrances are beyond. They're just so good. Okay, let's get to this one. It's the hand soap. Sorry, I just hit my desk. And it came in peachy and palm trees, which I loved this scent. And this scent comes in the hand soap, hand cream, and the Scentsy soak. So, and of course the Scentsy bar. So I like the way they divided up the scents into different different items. So that's kind of awesome. All right. So the next one is a bar of kukui and coconut. And if you watched my last video, I told you that this was my favorite. I love this scent. This is going in my bedroom. And I'm so glad that they gave me another bar because I just did my review of these 4. And these 4, a lot of it's going to be used for what is it called, you guys? Samples. Sorry, I still have COVID brain where I can't think. So this one is going in my bedroom, and I just got you guys, I can't think. I had COVID last year in January, and now I feel like I have dementia. It's horrible when I'm doing videos. I have the warmer. So when I put that warmer in my room, I think I'm going to try this because I'm super excited. I love this scent. And let me go back to the scent description for you. All right. It is tropical coconut and kukui nut. Lounge on a bed of soft jasmine. So I was like, what is kukui nut? Because I didn't know. And I looked it up. And it's those big round nuts that they put in the Lays. Like when you go to Hawaii. And let me tell you, this scent is phenomenal. It is phenomenal. I love this one. So I'm excited that I get another bar of that. Okay. Are you guys ready for the special surprise? It's C3PO. I have one already. So I'm actually going to gift this one. We are always going to birthday parties and we're always being invited places. And so I am so going to save this one. I'm going to put it up so I don't get it confused with mine. And I am going to gift him, but he's so cute, okay? First of all, he came like this. And the reason he came like this is because when he was originally released, he was released with, you only could get him. He was like exclusive. You can only get him with the Chewbacca buddy. And this was supposed to be on the back of Chewbacca. Remember in Empire Strikes Back when the stormtroopers were at Cloud City? I know I'm getting nerdy, but I love Empire Strikes Back was my favorite of the Star Wars. I'm not a big fan of the new ones. Don't come for me. Don't come for me. But the originals are my jam, okay? So remember, he's running, like he found him in that room and he's like, oh my gosh. And so he threw him in a bag and he tossed him on his back and he's running through Cloud City. So that's what this is. So if you're like, Scentsy, what are you giving me? Like, what is this? That's what it is. It's because this is how he came. And he has the scent of the light side of the Force, which smells amazing. Okay, so let's look at C3PO. First of all, he's a buddy clip. He's absolutely adorable. I collect them. I love them. I actually have on my bag right now, I have the child and I have R2-D2 up there as well. I love buddy clips and I just randomly change them on my purse. But he smells amazing and he's so cute. Look at his little wires. How cute is he? And he's got the little Scentsy patch, which I just think is so cute. So, yeah. Now, aren't you glad I explained it? Like why he's in this? Okay. So that is the awesome box, Whiff Box, you guys. And if you're like me, okay, I like to save everything, which is why I love these Whiff Boxes, like the actual box that it comes in. I get jazzed over them. Here's another thing that I love. You get, we used to get purple, and yes, I liked the purple, but the main color I use when I package stuff is brown. You get a ton of brown stuff. So like Scentsy doesn't realize they're giving you extra stuff. But they really are, because if you go to the dollar store, this is $1. Don't think that I don't repurpose. This is so going in a bag because how I love, is it me? Tell me if you do this. If you buy the Whiff boxes and you save this to repurpose, because I totally do, but I store things in these boxes. And you guys, I don't know if it's my Croatian heritage where like my mom grew up in a communist country and you know, and they didn't have much. I don't know if it's that or what, but I save everything. Why? Why do I do that? Am I the only one? Tell me if you do. Anyways, let's recap. You get this cute message thingy here that gives you little cutouts. Hold on. How do I open it? Come on, Vicki, get it together. So you have the little drink tags, which is super cute. And I do use drink tags because I don't want to wash 1,000 glasses. So if I'm using glasses and they all look the same, don't think I'm not using drink tags. You get the Kukui and Coconut Scentsy bar. Amazing. You get the Peachy and Palm Trees hand soap. Amazing. I'm so excited because I love the scent. And I had already bought two, but I go through this stuff like cray-cray. So I'm going to be using this. And I just love how pretty and cute they are. Like perfect for summer. The Feeling Punchy Counter Clean. Love it. I have, what do I have going right now? Sunkissed Citrus. And as soon as that's empty, I may even just put the Sunkissed Citrus under the sink and be like, girl, I'll see you later, and break one of these out. I probably will do that. Don't tell Sunkissed Citrus, but she might have to be in a timeout. She might have to go on a union break because I might have to bring out Feeling Punchy. Look how excited I get over like counter clean. Love it. And I'm really excited about this, like especially with all the animals I have. It's like a zoo here. I swear. We also have 2 tortoises that are outside. They just woke up. So we got 2 tortoises. I have 4 cats. My daughter is in my back house. She's got 4 cats. I have a puppy. She's getting a puppy tomorrow. And then she has 2 hamsters. You see why I need this? Do you see why I need it? And then you also get your amazing C3PO buddy clip. And he just smells amazing. I like the light side of the Force. I gotta tell you, I wasn't a huge fan of the dark side, but the light side is amazing. I think the bar right now is even sold out because it's so darn good. Anyway, you guys, I gave you a lot of info today, like about my life. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you don't normally follow me and you stumbled on this video, you're like, who is this girl? Who is she? I'm Vicki Kinner, independent Scentsy consultant. If you follow me, you're like, that's just her. That's who she is. All right, you guys, love you. I hope, I'm going to be posting this tomorrow, so I hope you have an amazing Mother's Day. I hope, you spend time with family. If you're not a mother, celebrate anyway. If you have lost your mother, I'm so sorry. I've lost my father. So, but it's still a great day to remember the wonderful times. If you hate your mother and you don't talk to your mother, use this day to go have a stiff drink and be like, thank God I don't hang out with her anymore. So whatever. Just go celebrate. Find a reason. You deserve it. Anywho, this has gone on way too long. Vicki, just stop. Just say goodbye. All right, guys. Sorry. This is me. I'm sorry. Anyways, you guys have a great day, regardless of what the heck you're doing. All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye.